Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from PCS Global. So guys, we all know that across pan-India basis, our EILP process is going on, and there are several people from several places. They are joining this process and they're enjoying the process. And right now, one of the resource of this EILP program, that is our employee internship learning program, is with us, and his name is Lakshmi Narayana. So, hi Lakshmi Narayana, this is Devamitra.
Yeah, hi ma'am, this is Lakshman.
Yeah. So, Lakshmi Narayana, can you tell me about yourself and from where you get to know about this EILP process?
Yeah, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. And my name is Manda Lakshminarayana, and I am from Gonayanla village, which is in Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh. And I did my BTech graduation in the stream of civil engineering in St. John's College of Engineering and Technology with a percentage of 79. And I certified as a Java full stack developer from JSPEDER's Hebbal branch in Bangalore.
Mhm.
And after that, I took an interview, that technical interview from PCS Global, and I selected for the software training in your company. So I met personally with Sunil sir also in Bangalore, and he told me the
Mhm.
process, how the company will be established, and how company is going through,
Mhm.
and how developing the companies like that. He told me more
Mhm.
about the company, and I enjoyed the process that you took students and send them to other MNCs after the training. So I like that process. So that how I know about your company.
So, Lakshmana, tell me one thing. When you have joined this EILP process, you got to know about that PCS Global is providing the opportunity to take the training from our side, and we are providing you the opportunity to work in another companies also. With we have collaborations with our partner companies. So, tell me one thing. When you have joined this process, that time are you working in any other company, or you are just a fresher
No.
candidate?
I'm a fresher. I'm a fresher.
Okay. So you got any call from our side, or you came to our center and give the interview?
No, I got a mail that you have a technical interview on April of this year, and
Okay. So,
I cleared that round. And after that, you conducted HR round, which was taken by Sunit sir.
mm-hmm,
In that interview also I cleared
mm-hmm,
successfully. So
mm-hmm.
I selected for the software training in your company, but
Okay.
unfortunately, that will happen.
Okay. So you got one call from our side, and you get the mail also. After that, you have joined this process.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
Lakshmana, you continue with us. I think it will be a great opportunity for you. And PCS Global is always helping people to grow. And we are also doing it with you also. And there are several people like you. So thank you for giving your valuable time. I will connect with you any other time. Okay. So this is for now. Bye for now.